if you're a young contractor and you don't have a laser level and you're trying to get in the yard drainage business, maybe you're a landscaper and you're building up materials, well, and equipment. All we have here is 10 pieces of plywood and 2 wheelbarrows and some hand shovels. This was not machine accessible, or we'd have our track hoe back here, but I want to make a point here because I started like this. I started with no laser level, no track hoe. I mean, I started out, believe it or not, with just an open trailer. I don't want to date myself here, but I pulled it with a 77 Grand Prix. And that's the truth, man. And yeah, it did take away all the conveniences, but to my point, if you want to just dig a trench and then flood it with water, it'll show you if you have any low spots that are going to hold water, and if you got any high spots that you got to take down so that the water makes it to the storm drain. You don't have water sitting in your trench. Now, see, what happens is if you leave water in this trench, this big shrub, they're thirsty in the summertime when they're foliated, and they can sniff out water. And they're going to fill your yard drain system with roots. If you keep this trench smooth on the bottom and gradually sloped to the basin, I promise you it's not going to fill full of roots because there's nothing there for them. If you don't leave any water behind, you don't leave anything for the shrubs and the trees.